Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about dollar cost averaging, how to start investing with little money. Let's get into the video. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that works well for those with limited funds. It involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This way, you buy more shares when the prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, it can help lower your average cost per share. Remember, investing is a long term game. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and stay committed to your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from this information. And do not forget to subscribe for more financial videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy investing, everyone. Bye for now, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make it count.